This is code.org. Let's see what we have here. Take a close look at the code below. Which image will it create when you click run? Now students, keep in mind, when you select an answer like A and click run, you cannot change it. So don't click run right away. I don't know if it's A. I need to look at this. All right. So, and you really want to pay attention to make sure you understand this. When run, repeat 9 times, okay, so I know right now everything in this pink mouth thing, I have to run 9 times. Okay, well, let's see. Repeat 9 times, draw binary 0. Okay, 0 in binary would be a false, and remember that's a block we skip. So this block would not get scratched out, it would remain black. I skip over it, and then there is a 1. 1 is when we scratch a block out. Well, how many 1s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it looks like? Okay, so scratch, scratch. All of these are white. 3, 4, 5. So skip 1, scratch 5, and then it looks like skip 1 again. That would take us here. Let's make sure. 1, I want to count how many items are in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it looks like there's only 7 characters in this. Keep in mind, each row is 8 long. So when we run it the first time, my character's here. We're not going to scratch it out. We left this black, and all of that's going to be white. Then we hit the bottom of our loop. Zoop. Oh yeah, I have to do this 8 more times. And so finally I would skip this one, and then I'm going to go down to the next row. What number's next? It looks like 1. Well, there's 5 1s here, as we noticed before. So scratch, scratch, scratch. 3, 4, 5, scratch, and skip 1. Okay, so right away I said I need to skip the first one and scratch 5. Let's see if that matches any of them. Nope, that skips the first 2. This does skip the first one. Oh, and this does too. And then what's it do? Scratch 5 and skips 2. This is the same. Okay, well then what did I say for the next line? We got down here, and what did we do? Well, we had to scratch 5 right away. Okay, because this is 7 long. 7 long meant skip this, scratch 5, skip this, hit the bottom back to the top. We then use this 0 to skip this block, move to the next line, and had 5 1, so had to start scratching right away. To me, it looks like the only thing that would meet that then is D. Now keep in mind, you really want to think about this, and if what I'm saying gets you stuck, you want to go back and watch this again. You do not just want to click an answer that you only half understand, because this is going to cause problems for you later. Quapow. Onward.